Model, 2015 Ford Transit Custom 2.2TD 125PS 290 Trend Front-Wheel Drive L2 needs turbo. Body, blue, panel van. Mileage, 112,253. MOT, 6 January 2025. Engine, 2198 cc 2.2 TDCI-B. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs underpowered. Turbo needs replacing. The engine is fine, idles correctly, no misfiring or shaking, straightforward turbo replacement job, grin. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear load area is in decent, average condition, genuine honest work van. Features, 1 former keeper, part service history, electric windows, cruise control, parking sensors, 2 keys. EU status, Euro 5. HPI, clear. Cap retail,